Financial reports that small business owner or manager receives from the accountant reflect events that happened in the reporting period. Some of them drives the numbers from inside the company, some impact comes from the business environment. In this series of videos, I concentrate on one geographic area and collect a short reference of business events that happened during last month in British Columbia, Canada. My name is Andrei Mazulov, and this is Business Environment in February 2021 for British Columbia, Canada. In order to receive this report regularly, subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell button to be notified for new video releases. Before we turn to numbers, I should say the British Columbia Recovery Plan program changed in March with extension of the program until the end of August. Watch details in the separate video I have on this channel. Now turning to February 2021. TSX Composite Index increased in February by 368 points and closed at 18,060 at the end of the month. Canadian prime rate is 2.45%, remaining unchanged since April last year. Unemployment rate in British Columbia declined from 8.3% in January to 7.5% in February, and we use unadjusted numbers. The unemployment rate in January for all Canada is 8.6%. Unemployment in British Columbia increased in construction, recreation, accommodation and food, and surprisingly in healthcare industries. Oil price WTI increased from $52.2 per barrel at the end of January to $61.5 per barrel at the end of February. At the end of February, unleaded gasoline costed $1.39 per liter, and diesel was $1.25 per liter. During February, Canadian dollar gets stronger to US dollar, showing on average $0.787 for 1 Canadian dollar, which is the highest rate for last 12 months. Looking on daily chart, we see the increasing trend changed to the declining trend at the last week of February and closed at 0.788 at the end of the month. That move at the end of month became a regular pattern for Canadian rate in the past several months. RBC predicts declining trend for Canadian dollar for 2021 with exchange rate of 0.781 at the second quarter, 0.775 at the third quarter, and 0.769 at the fourth quarter of 2021. Bitcoin reached historical maximum in February of $57,540 for 1 Bitcoin, decreased at the end of February and closed at $45,137.80 per Bitcoin. The border with the United States remains closed for non-essential traveling. BC government established new grant for building or extending online stores. Cruise ships will not approach Canadian shores until February 2022. Starting February 22nd, air travelers landing in Canada have spent 3 days in quarantine in dedicated hotels at their own costs. According to the Vancouver Taxi Association, the ridership in Vancouver is down by 70% and 90% of drivers already left the industry. That was the quick overview of February. If you have a question or recommendation, like any additional information would be beneficial to be included in the overview, please leave your comment below. I will see you for the overview for March.